Meaning of indium.
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 Indium. Indium is a chemical element with the symbol In and atomic number 49. It is a silvery white, soft, malleable, and ductile metal that is chemically similar to aluminum and gallium. Indium is used in the manufacture of low-melting alloys, such as solders, in the production of transparent conductive coatings for displays in solar cells, and as a thin film in various applications, including electronics and semiconductors. It is also used as a neutron absorber in nuclear reactors and in research for its unique properties, such as its superconductivity at very low temperatures.